Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the Whirlpool versus Panasonic washing machine. Watch until the end to know our verdict on which washing machine is better. So the main difference between the Whirlpool washing machine and the Panasonic washing machine is the loading capacity. The Whirlpool washing machine has a loading capacity of 10 kilograms, while the Panasonic has a loading capacity of 18 kilograms. Therefore, the Panasonic washing machine is better than the Whirlpool washing machine. Spin speed. The Panasonic washing machine has a spin speed of 1000 RPM, whereas the Whirlpool's is 1600 RPM. The Panasonic is the better option in this case, as it can safely but effectively clean most fabrics. Automated dispenser. The Whirlpool washing machine has a unique feature, whereby one can pour detergents such as fabric softener or washing liquid into a unit within the machine. During every wash, the machine will use the detergent in the unit automatically, without having to constantly add detergent in every wash. This makes the laundry process more efficient and time-saving. The Panasonic washing machine does not have this feature. You will need to add laundry detergent every time you want to wash clothes. The Whirlpool washing machine triumphs over the Panasonic machine in this case, as the Panasonic machine lacks this feature. Voltage, frequency. High voltage is needed to run large machines, but is more dangerous and energy-consuming. The Panasonic machine has a higher voltage of 220 volts, probably because it's both a washer and a dryer. It would need to be operated with caution, and would come at an extra cost to cater to the energy consumption. The Whirlpool machine has a higher spin speed but a lower voltage of 120 volts, and thus consumes less energy. This means it can clean a load of laundry much faster and without consuming much energy. In this case, Whirlpool is better. Drum opening size. The Panasonic machine has a wider drum opening size of 383 millimeters than the Whirlpool that measures 280 millimeters. This allows you to put in and wash bulkier fabrics, such as blankets and duvets, in the Panasonic. With this feature, there'd be no need to pay extra for a professional laundry service to clean the duvets and blankets, as it can be done conveniently at home, giving the Panasonic an upper hand in this category. Comparison table. From the table, you can see that there's a significant difference between the loading capacity of both machines. The Whirlpool machine can only accommodate 10 kilograms of laundry in one load, while the Panasonic machine can accommodate 18 kilograms in one load. We can also see a difference in their drum opening size, with Panasonic's being 383 millimeters and Whirlpool's being 280 millimeters. Similarities. Both Whirlpool and Panasonic machines weigh 105 kilograms. Therefore, the cost of delivery and installation may be similar due to this feature. Verdict. So, which is better? The Panasonic washing machine is better. It comes with an inbuilt dryer. There's no need to buy a dryer separate from the washer, which comes at an extra cost. It also has a larger load capacity for laundry, which makes it suitable and efficient for large families, as you'll be able to wash and dry large loads of laundry in one go. The Whirlpool is also both a powerful and efficient machine and would suit a person looking for an automated dispenser. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also, let us know in the comments below which other comparisons that you would like to see next from us.